I started wearing glasses about 7 years old. I couldn't see the board at school, and I kept telling my mom that it was too far, and she started taking me to the doctor, and I was prescribed glasses. And it was hard. The biggest hindrance of wearing glasses is going out to fancy dinners or going to the beach and not being able to wear sunglasses. I recently went on vacation to Cozumel. We went ziplining. I couldn't really see what was going on around me, so it'll be great to be able to see without glasses. I decided to have LASIK about a year ago when I was introduced to the new technology that you guys offer here. I'm feeling a little nervous, but I know that I'm in great hands. I am feeling great. Great. Better than I've ever felt. The overall experience at Magruder Laser Vision was incredible. The doctor, the staff, they really make you feel comfortable throughout the whole process. I was very nervous, and they were able to get me from jumping off the tables. I cried on my way home. I'm like, oh my God, I can see. And then waking up this morning was like waking up to a different world. I didn't have to reach for my glasses. I could see my clock. I could see outside. It was just amazing.